Hey, Nick.
What?
Where's Janet?
She's in the back room.
Hey, let's see if we can't get something going, man.
Alright.
Hey, come on, come on. Go back there first. Go back there first. See if she's back there. Hey, washwoman, don't forget, colored's hot, white's and cold.
Not this again.
What are you doing?
I was just getting a little footage here.
Are you videotaping?
Sorta.
Sorta.
Yeah. Oh, come on, don't be mad, baby.
Don't be mad.
No,
You're telling me not to be mad?
it was...
Every single time I do something around this house for you, you pull out that
Well,
and try to get some embarrassing footage of me
that's not
for you to
embarrassing.
shove it on your YouTube and see how many viewers you can get?
It's just you doing laundry. It's
Oh,
okay.
it's just me doing laundry, and it was just me doing makeup. But do you remember what happened that time?
Well, I backed into a door. That
Yeah,
was my
you
fault.
backed into a door.
Yeah.
Ha ha, yeah, fucking right. Do you remember what happened the next day or two after that?
Yeah, you got hot wax on my back, but that was
I
no
had
big
hot
deal.
wax on your back.
Yeah, it was no sweat.
No big deal. How big of a deal was it when we allowed Nick, your son, to pull a strip and he did it halfway and that little tear came down your little eye? How big of a deal was that?
Oh, that was just done for dramatic
Oh,
purposes.
dramatic purposes. Whatever you gotta tell yourself to go to sleep at night.
Oh, well, it works.
You know what?
What? What's up?
I have an idea
Okay, what's
that
up?
will put all this to rest. One to top everything you have done to me,
Okay, what's up?
including the piss test.
Hey, what's your idea?
Well, tomorrow, we are supposed to be going to Alexander Hurst III's house for that big barbecue,
Yeah?
and all our little buddies are going to be there.
Okay, so?
So I was thinking maybe I could pull one or two of them aside and see if they would teach me how to give you a chop and maybe even demonstrate it on you. And then we'll see if your little tears are for dramatic effect.
There's a problem, though. I don't think girls can chop.
Oh, you
There's
don't think
something in
girls
the
can
rule
chop?
book about it.
Yeah, okay, well we will see tomorrow. And we can post that on YouTube. And all your little subscribers or whatever you want to call it can tune in and watch that shit.
Hey, baby.
No, I have shit to do. Goodbye.
Hey, make sure you wash my socks separately.